Hi guys, in this video I have a 2008 Toyota Yaris. I'm gonna show you how easy is removal, cleaning and installation of ignition coil packs. First of all, we need to open up the hood from the driver's side foot valve. Just gonna undo 4 bolts which are relatively easy to be opened by 10mm wrench or socket. Teach away what type of ratchet and socket to be used to get off the bolts thoroughly and put it in a safe place in order. Now we're gonna try and remove the electrical connections. It may need 2 hands for this. To get the best electricity connection between ignition coil and wiring, I use contact cleaner spray. Cleaning and flushing the electrical plugs of contaminated particles is one of the most important factors to get the best efficiency. I got off the bolts and put on a safe place to prevent missing. After ensuring the ignition coil is not defective, it's time to clean the coil and to make it free from dirty oil and contamination. Of course, you must make sure that the cylinder head gasket is not defective and the spark plugs are in healthy before the ignition coil packs installation. Be careful not to put cleaning materials in the cylindrical area of the coil and spark plugs. Actually, I try to clean as much as possible. coil pack partially in the hole, so we can get the electrical connection down up, while connection on the back, push it all the way down. Before placing the ignition coil packs in the hole, make sure the spark plugs are not burned, damaged or broken, and totally tightened and fixed. While putting the ignition coil pack, feel it locked onto the spark plug, making sure the holes line up. Doing the nuts tight enough that they're not gonna come loose. Using ratchet and 10mm socket to tighten all 4 nuts while keeping the coil by the other hand. Then make a torque check of all 4 nuts to ensure not to be loosened in the future. Now we're gonna light up the engine and test the ignition coil packs if they are properly working. Finally, that's the time to reinstall the engine cover and get ready to light up the engine. That's my video on how to remove, clean and install ignition coil packs on my 2008 Toyota YARIS, and you see how easy it is. I hope you enjoy it. Don't hesitate to follow, give a thumb like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody.